Greetings all, Shane Bruce, rest on my daisy with a hail and farewell to a gun that came in a while back and is getting ready to head out the door today or tomorrow and return to Fort Home. What you're looking at is a Daisy number 195 Buzz Barton. Look at it. Special. Super cool little gun, one of Daisy's early movie tie-ins. It has the classic Daisy scope, which isn't a scope, but it's also unique in a lot in terms of Daisies because the model number is actually written on the scope. And the scope is, of course, removable. So a lot of times you'll find these guns without this little piece of steel. It's got a small aperture in the middle of it that simulates a scope, gives you like a super long peep sight. Rolling down the front end. This gun is an original gun, been in the same family for 3 generations. Was Grandpa's gun, was Pa's gun, and is now the current owner's gun. What we did to it when we got it here was put a little coil on it, a little 4X steel wool. She's about 95% original finish. Now, the amazing thing about the little guy was once we figured out why it wouldn't shoot a BB, which was a clogged feed ramp port, the little gun ran fine. It ran at around 300 feet a second consistently. That was kind of phenomenal. So we cleaned up the insides and put it all back together and rubbed down the outsides, and now she's getting ready to go to the house to leave here and head to Fort Home. That's all we've got for you today, kids. This is Shane Bruce, rest of my Daisy, signing off.